10 signs she's happy during intimacy. A woman who feels happy, safe, and emotionally connected during intimate moments doesn't hide it. Her body language softens, her energy becomes warmer, and the way she responds to you changes completely. Many men focus only on physical reactions, forgetting that a woman's happiness during intimacy is deeply emotional, mental, and spiritual. Here are 10 powerful signs she's truly happy and deeply enjoying the moment with you. 1. She's fully present with you. When she's happy, she's not distracted or distant. Her attention stays on you, your touch, your words, your presence. Her mind isn't wandering elsewhere. She's with you, fully engaged and emotionally connected. 2. She initiates touch. Naturally, a happy woman doesn't wait for you to reach out first. She wraps her arms around you, holds your face gently, runs her hands across your chest or back. Her touch is soft, intentional, and full of affection, not forced or mechanical. 3. She expresses comfort through relaxed body language. Tension disappears. Her shoulders drop, her breathing slows, and her body naturally leans closer to you. When a woman feels safe and happy, her entire posture becomes calm and welcoming. 4. She responds emotionally, not just physically. Her reactions come from genuine emotion. She smiles, laughs softly, whispers to you, or pulls you closer. You feel her energy rising and blending with yours. It's not about performance, it's about connection. 5. She maintains eye contact more often. When she's comfortable and enjoying the moment, she looks into your eyes not because she has to, but because she wants to feel closer. It's a look that says trust, comfort, and vulnerability. 6. She communicates what she likes. A woman who's happy doesn't stay silent. She gently guides you, tells you what she enjoys, or expresses herself through subtle gestures. Communication becomes natural instead of awkward. 7. She responds to your touch instinctively. Her body and emotions respond without hesitation. She leans into you, moves with you, or adjusts herself in a way that shows she's enjoying every moment. Happiness makes her more expressive and connected. 8. She shows after intimacy affection. One of the strongest signs is what she does after. She cuddles, rests her head on your chest, plays with your fingers, or talks to you softly. When she's happy, the emotional connection continues long after the moment ends. 9. She compliments you or smiles without realizing it. Her happiness reflects in little things. The way she looks at you afterward, the glow in her face, the sincere compliments, the soft laughter. Women don't hide genuine joy. It spills out naturally. 10. She becomes more emotionally open with you over time. The biggest sign of all, intimacy makes her trust you more. She shares deeper thoughts, opens up emotionally, and feels even safer with you. A happy woman becomes more connected, not more distant. When a woman feels valued, respected, and emotionally safe, her happiness during intimacy becomes undeniable. It shows in her touch, her eyes, her voice, and the way she holds you, not out of obligation, but out of genuine affection and joy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.